Hi, my name is Dr. Rashni Vijay, a homeopathic practitioner at Ayurmana and Panchakarma Center. For those of you who are not aware what is homeopathy, homeopathy is a scientific system of medicine which can treat a person as a whole and not only the disease. It is a holistic approach. So how safe is this homeopathic treatment? Homeopathic medicines are derived from natural substances, mainly from the plants, minerals and even animal products. So they are very safe without any chemicals in it. It is even safe for all age groups, right from infants, pregnant women or a lactating woman, and even all elderly age group. And there are other benefits when it comes to homeopathy. It is very easily consumable, sweet pills. That's why most of the kids prefer taking homeopathic pills as it has a sweet taste. It is cost effective and it also improves your immunity. It not only removes treats the person as a whole, but it removes the disease from its roots. Now coming to the disease conditions, it can treat various chronic disease conditions and some of the acute diseases also. Recurrent cold and cough, or breathlessness, wheezing. It is nothing but the acute flare-ups of bronchitis, chronic bronchitis or asthma, and even skin complaints like dry skin, eczema or psoriasis, etc. And also homeopathy has a better scope in female complaints, especially the menstrual irregularities or PCOD, uterine fibroid or infertility. So how does the treatment take place through homeopathy? So when a patient approaches a homeopath, a detailed case taking is done, which includes the disease condition in precise, the onset, the progress, the past history, surgical history, family history, and apart from that, there are few characteristic symptoms which are very important for a homeopath to derive the well indicated remedy. There are other physical generals like appetite, sleep, bowel bladder habits, and also mental generals, which includes even a day-to-day stress or any other significant stress factors which can have an impact on the disease condition. Basically, a totality is taken with the disease symptoms and the general symptoms of the person, and a well indicated homeopathic remedy is given. Only when this is done, the person is treated totally. There are some common pediatric ailments like behavioral issues, delayed milestones, sleep disorders in pediatric cases, especially behavioral issues like autism or ADHD, and also skin disorders wherein there is dry eczema. So homeopathy has helped in treating such conditions successfully. And also there are few autoimmune disorders including psoriasis as mentioned earlier, and ulcerative colitis and rheumatoid arthritis, where homeopathy plays a very important role. What homeopathic remedies does in such conditions is that it helps to improve one's own immunity so that it heals the person from its roots permanently. There are many myths about homeopathic treatment. The most common one being that homeopathic medicines are very slow to act, but not really. Homeopathic medicines act rapidly and effectively, and the results last longer and also treats permanently. And another false belief about homeopathy is diabetics cannot take them, since the medicines are sweet in taste, but the sweet pills do not contain glucose in it. So it is always safe for a diabetic patients also to take homeopathic treatment. And there is another myth that homeopathic medicines cannot act in case of emergencies, but there are few acute conditions like fever or minor injuries or migraine or painful piles, where homeopathic medicines act effectively and quickly. There is also a false belief that there are a lot of food restrictions when you are on homeopathic treatment, which is not true. As homeopathic medicines are absorbed directly from the tongue and also the inner lining of your mouth, the only rule is that you need to give around 30 minutes gap between the food and the medicines before and after. And also you could avoid taking strong coffee or raw onion, raw garlic, which has strong taste. So these are the only food restrictions. And where in UAE do you get homeopathic medicines? This is another common query. Homeopathic medicines are easily available in most of the certified pharmacies in the UAE. And also most of the insurance companies do cover homeopathic consultation and the medicines through reimbursement. Other common conditions that I come across is hair fall, dandruff and seborrheic dermatitis, wherein homeopathy plays a very important role and it treats effectively. Also in some skin conditions wherein there is dryness, there are few homeopathic applications which acts effectively along with the internal medicines. There are few other minor surgical conditions like external piles or renal calculi, which is commonly known as kidney stones, and adenoids in kids, which can be treated successfully without the surgical intervention through homeopathy. So kindly visit our Ayurmana clinic for all your health issues and improve your general well-being. Thank you.